cares? We don't need. It's time you learn we're a team, Red Dog. We all go home or nobody goes home.
G.I. Joe will return after these messages. Now, back to G.I. Joe.
Hello my lovely audience and dear subscribers. I hope you all are doing well. Welcome to the review of Slaughter's Renegade member, Red Dog. Well, we have a very little information given on him except that he was booted out of pro football for unnecessary roughness and later he joined the G.I. Joe team. Well, red dogging is a term which is used for the aggression shown by a specific player in American football. Well, Red Dog is from the mainland of Samoa. Well, before we jump into the figure, let's talk about his accessories. He comes with this giant gun with scope. And he also comes with this backpack. It's very well detailed. It looks like a trekking backpack with a couple of canisters and this belt in this center, buckle in center, pardon me, and with these two pockets. This jam-packed. Well, and one more accessory he comes with is a 45 caliber pistol, which looks like this. Well, unfortunately, I'm missing that, and I almost forgot to mention his accessory is his figure stand, which very few Joes in those times used to get it as an accessory. Alright, let's jump into the figure. Let's talk about his appearance. Well, the details on him are pretty spot on and they are unique. As he is from Samoan origin, he is wearing a tribal Samoan jewelry. Well, first his gold headband. The second thing is his gold bracelets. Is little faded away over times, but it is fine. We can easily distinguish. He also comes with this tooth necklace, which is also painted in gold color. Okay, let's come down. He is wearing a chest harness molded in black color, which goes all the way to the back. He's wearing red t-shirt with white half sleeves. Well, some of the variants known to exist with long sleeves, and also there is a variation in the skin tone of Red Dog. Well, here on his crotch and on his belt there is some sort of gold engraving. Here you go, this portion. At the bottom on his right thigh, he is armed with a silver pistol, and in front he is carrying two pistol magazines. He is wearing knee-high boots in two colors, mostly silver and black, with pretty cool lace pattern in front. And he is wearing blue pants. Well, to sum up, I must say that Red Dog is very uncommon Joe, and he is a bit expensive because of its known variants. So that's all I have to share about Red Dog Renegade. If you find this video interesting and informative, hit the like button and stay connected with me by subscribing to my channel. So stay home, stay safe guys. Yo Joe, signing off.